Okay, so npm run silent. Run npm commands with the silent option. So this is set to false by default, so that you can see errors and warnings when you run an npm script. So let me show you the difference. So let's pull this up here. Let's open the terminal so it doesn't close. And let's run an npm command from VS Code. So let's run the install command, for example. And I have to use the command palette because the install command is not here by default. So let's do that and see what happens. So it's not silent now, right? So we should see some warnings at least. And here they are. Okay, now let's set this to true. And if we set this to true, notice that if we run the task again, it's not gonna run with silent. See? So let's cancel that. And we actually need to reload the window. And now it's gonna run with silent. There we go. And the difference is we won't see any warnings now. Or errors if there were any errors to show up. All right. I don't think silent is a very good idea, unless you purposefully want to suppress errors or warnings that you're getting somewhere else, like in linting, for example. But I would rather see whatever is happening with my commands. So I'm going to leave this as false.